Hey, good morning, guys. Johnny with Blaze of Grass Lawn Care. Has this ever happened to you? Now, I went out with Quest this morning and we did, it was like this, right? Now, it rained and rained and rained on us, right? And we kept driving around. And after doing one property successfully, it was raining so bad and so heavy that I said, hey, man, go ahead and go home. We'll finish tomorrow. We have 4 days to catch up. No big deal. But as soon as I get home, you see that? That's the freaking sun. The sun is out. Now, I'm the type of person that if the sun is out, I should be able to mow, right? But then you look at my grass and maybe you can't see it right now, but it is extremely wet and it's damp. But I can get something done. So what I'm gonna do is give it a couple of hours and see what the skies is looking like, see how everything is looking like. But I think I'm gonna do this without him. He's gonna be very upset. And I know some of you guys may say, man, if it was me, I'm getting a day off. I don't mind, hell. But you're not him. You see, he is very dedicated to the properties that we maintain. So therefore, it's just his thing, guys. Some of us enjoy what we do and some of us just do it for a job. He clearly and honestly enjoys it and he takes pride in everything he does. So I'm gonna go out there and do this. Look at my petunias. See, they're drooping. So everything is super wet. I'm gonna give it a couple of hours and see if I can go out there. And it's just me, and tell me if you're the same way. If I can at least get 2, 3 done today, I would have felt like I've accomplished something. You know what I mean? I can't just sit in the house and do what? Nothing? Negative. It ain't gonna happen here. So, right now, let me see if I can show you. It's clearing up right there. And over here. But when you look over here, it's still dark. I'm gonna give it a few, guys, but I might be making a solo video today. We'll see. Stay tuned. Alright, guys, this is a bi-weekly account. This is the first one that I did today, and then it transitioned into the next. This is number 2. Now, I didn't have a chance to actually film the mowing portion of it because it's been raining. It's been raining pretty bad. So that's number 2. And then look at the skies, guys. Oops, let me grab this better. And the skies are cloudy. As a matter of fact, I had to stop just now because it rained pretty bad. This is number 3 that I just did. These I'm doing without my man. Vantage. This is number 4. Yep. And these are our centipede in my neighborhood. It's me right there. Y'all should know my house. That's me right there. Alright. And this is number 5, right across the house. So Those are 5 properties that I did without my man, but it's all good. He's going to understand. And I think, I'm not sure what time it is, I may do one more, which is the one right over there. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that one. And then, yeah, I'll put a pause on it. And, all right, let me go ahead and, all right. Let me finish this up and we'll see you in a few.
Too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you hindsight is fleeting when your heart's bleeding and all you can see is red, till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then what I know. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead, 'cause I was too young, and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you again. Oh,
right, guys, so it took me 3 hours and 20 minutes to do 6 properties. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 hours and 20 minutes to do those 6 properties, right? And I was busting ass because of the the rain is coming. I wanted to make sure that I got him done before it rained on me, and then it was just washout. So I was hauling ass. Now, with an assistant, it would have took me on the average of 2 hours to 2 hours and 15 minutes. Sometimes a little bit faster, depending on how we actually do it. So the difference is the time frame when you have an assistant with you, and I'm tired. I'm tired, and with an assistant, I will be tired, but not as tired as I am right now. So that is the advantage of having someone with you. You can actually get a lot accomplished and minimize your fatigue. Now, and again, it depends on what type of individual you have assisting you, what type of motivation they have, all of that good stuff. As you guys know, Q is highly motivated, highly dedicated. That joke is high speed, low drag. So, he does what he has to do because, again, he's on salary. He's on salary, so whether we take 10 hours or we take 2 hours, he's gonna make the same amount of money. You know what I mean? So yeah. Let's see. And this is what I'm talking about. Look at this guy. It may rain, it may not rain. Who knows, right? But the good thing is, guys, is that I got 6 properties taken care of. No, 7, because this morning we actually did 1. So 7 properties taken care of. So now we have the additional 12 to put on top, and we have Friday open, so we can definitely take care of what we have to take care of. So that's why I talk about, guys, know how to schedule your lawns. For some reason, you guys, and again, I'm just saying because I can't get it, I don't understand it. Why would you want to schedule 6 and 7 days when Mother Nature, you don't know what she's going to throw at you? You know what I mean? And anytime you keep pushing these people back, believe it or not, people get frustrated. People, it doesn't matter how good you are, people get frustrated because they are used to and accustomed of their property getting maintained at a certain time of the week. And then when you keep pushing it back, I'm telling you that you are providing a service. So don't be under the impression that you are the only one out there. I'm just saying, really look at the way that you are scheduling your properties, and don't stress yourself out, guys. It makes no sense. You can't mow all the lawns in that subdivision, in that area, whatever the case might be. Pace yourself, do a damn good job, and people will keep giving you that word of mouth, and it'll make it a lot easier for you. Let it be something that you enjoy, and that's something that you have to go out and do. You know what I mean? Make money and enjoy yourself. All right, guys, I can go forever and ever with this topic. Guys, thank you for taking the time to watch my videos. Drink a lot of water, get hot, pop smoke. Peace.